ASC26, Wuxi, China. We've got Beijing Normal University. I think this is the second time your school is sent. And my first question, back then, even before asking who you were, why are you normal? What makes Beijing Normal University normal? They didn't have a great answer last year. What about this year?
I think because my name.
No.
What
makes your university normal? We can come back to it. We'll come back to that. You guys think about it.
Why are we normal?
Yeah. We'll come back to it. What's your name? What are you doing for the team?
My name is Wang Shaoxun, and why are we normal? I think because.
That's okay. Just what are you working on now for the team?
I'm currently working on the QiboTN this workload, and I have created several benchmark workflows and
that's CPU only, no GPUs.
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yeah, and we have introduced MPI-based parallel execution.
Good.
And I added cross-Newman affinity binding strategies, and we switched the BLAST backends to leverage high-performance linear algebra kernels.
Good. What kind of speed up are you seeing?
Yeah, like about 2 times to 3 times, but it hasn't been very stable. I have to verify its
the results.
The numbers is correct, and
oh yes, yeah, you have to verify the result because it's moving on you. Okay, good. So who's this? What's your name?
Hello, my name is Yan Yiran, and I'm responsible for the task of LEWM.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's a task which is only allowed to run on the GPU.
Okay.
On the AMD 7900D, and I think.
How's it going? You getting it to run?
I made it to make it run, and I've reached about twice the acceleration ratio, and I think the model is already really fast.
Yeah.
And so the speeding up is a little difficult.
You can go faster.
Thank you. I will
you have
try.
Time. Yes. But 2x is a good start. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good job. How about you?
Hello, my name is Tian Sichen, and I'm responsible for the group competition. The icon, yeah. And I'm trying to attempt to display the multi-node parallelism. And about your first question, I think it's very interesting. And to be honest, I didn't think about this reason before, and searched it online.
Did you look up normal?
Yes.
Okay.
Because the normal means standard. 就是一种标准的意思。
Yeah.
Cause actually it's Chinese meaning is teacher， 就是老师，师范大学。Yes.
Okay.
That's
so, Beijing Standard University, your university has a high standard.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Good, good, good. And I'm just
Thank you.
asking that question to tease you. So good job, though. I was just joking. I was. So, but good. Good job. Thank you. So who's this? Hey.
My name is Han Dongshi. I'm responsible for the Unit 3 World Model Optimization.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
How's that working out? Are you getting it to scale? Are you getting it to run? Are you getting it to run?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, does it scale? And you'll know what scale means. Scale. Does it run on all the nodes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. And then ask, what kind of speed up is he getting? What number?
加速比大概3.5倍左右。Speed up about
Okay. 3.5. Good. Good, good, good. Now how about this guy in back? How you
Hello,
doing?
I'm Zhang Yifa. I'm the team leader. And
team leader?
yeah.
Round of applause for the team leader.
This is not the first time that I come to ASC final. Last year I'm the team member, and this year I'm responsibility. I have the responsibility to bring these 4 newcomers to join us to embrace supercomputing.
And so what did you tell them about competing from last year? What wisdom did you give them? What did you tell them about preparing for this competition? Because you were here last year, you know what it's like.
We have prepared this for these 6 workloads since the beginning of this year, and in the
preparation.
预赛 preliminary round.
Preliminary.
We have limited computing power, and we have a lot of algorithm optimization. And when we come to this
The finals.
This final competition, we have these 4
Nodes.
machines that contains a lot of powerful devices that enabling
You haven't had those before.
Yeah. That enabling our enables our workloads to work in finer much more well consideration.
Good. Okay, so you feel well prepared?
Yeah, we all well prepared.
Okay.
With limited computing
Yeah.
power. Yeah.
Good. Well, good luck. And we'll be back to check on you later and see how you're doing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you. Bye-bye. Last day, 2026 ASC Student Cluster Competition. It's all coming down to this. We're here with the Beijing Normal University. How do you feel when you have just hours until you're done?
Excuse me. How do you feel?
Yeah.
How do we feel?
You're going to finish strong?
We
Into the microphone.
yesterday when we first take these real cases, we felt the final competition is much more has much more hard cases than the preliminary round.
Yes.
We have difficulties in group say
Icon. Icon.
Yes. Icon that we only figure out the second workload, and the first and third is much more. Maybe takes much more higher time. So we couldn't finish this task within this limited time.
Okay. It happens. How you feel about the things you have to turn in today? Are you going to get them done?
Today we
You have ASM.
Yes, I'm responsible. I'm take the responsibility for MSS, and I have get the first case done, and the second and third is running parallel, running in the same time. It's just about 1 hour left, and QiboTN and the Embodied World Model competition. We have some difficulties about the keyboard task, and I think she is doing well on the WMA task. Until now, I think our process is smooth.
Sure. Not panicking, no panic, no excitement, just attack the problem. Okay. Just attack the problem, no panic.
Oh, no panic.
No one upset.
I feel confident about our prior preparation.
Yeah. Okay. You have to trust your training. Yes.
Yeah, we trust our friends. We believe in my team can finish all the things perfectly.
Okay. Well, good. Good. Well, thank you. It's great having you here again, and hope to see you here next year.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.